Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Posui. I am currently an English teacher working here at ACS MLP.
Hi, I'm Dan Hetler, also at ACS in the MLP Secondary Department, and I'm an English teacher as well.
Right, so as we are all aware as English teachers, our students are exceptionally good at using English, starting from a very young age actually. They can comprehend and respond quite quick, and their pronunciation is exceptionally good as well.
Exactly. And this gives us an advantage over a typical English program, not just in terms of our instruction, also in terms of our results as well.
Yes. So, would you mind letting us in on this secret?
Of course, it's not a secret. MLP stands for Modern Language Program. And what we do is we provide our high-quality education using the English language as a medium. Most of our classes are taught in the English language by experienced and highly qualified teachers.
That's very impressive. And as a result, many of our students would go on to have huge achievement, both in their studies and more importantly, in their career. Not because they get to study English a lot, but also because they get to use English a lot too.
Exactly. So, what that does is it lets us empower our students so that they can think creatively, they can act like leaders, and they're inspired to lead with a purpose.
Yes, couldn't agree more. Most importantly, here at ACS MLP, we empower our students with leadership and global awareness.
The Modern Language Program takes great pride in teaching our students effective communication skills, helping them to articulate their thoughts clearly, confidently, and respectfully. Strong communication is the foundation of successful teamwork and leadership, which are essential in today's world. MLP incorporates phonics into the curriculum to build a strong foundation in reading and language for young learners. Through engaging activities and systematic language instruction, students develop essential skills in decoding words and recognizing sounds. This focused approach to phonics fosters confidence and fluency, setting the stage for lifelong literacy success. The MLP incorporates 21st century learning skills such as critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and digital literacy into our lessons to prepare the students for real life challenges. These skills empower our students to become adaptable, innovative, and thoughtful problem solvers. Our teachers strive to make every lesson fun, engaging, and interactive, so students feel motivated and excited to learn. This creates a positive and dynamic classroom environment, helping students to develop not only their academic skills, but also a love for lifelong learning.
Hello, my name is Jay, and I'm the grade 5 and 6 English teacher. Here at MLP, our primary students study a variety of different subjects, including English, Chinese, Thai, mathematics, science, social studies, computer science, robotics, home economics, and art.
MLP follows a Cambridge curriculum which offers a high-quality, internationally recognized educational framework that supports deep understanding and academic success. This curriculum not only prepares students for future studies, but also fosters independent learning and global awareness. The environment and atmosphere around MLP are vibrant, supportive, and focused on holistic growth. Students are encouraged to explore their talents and are given numerous opportunities to excel through participation in a wide range of competitions. This helps build confidence, develop new skills, and achieve their fullest potential.
As part of their academic journey, students take standardized tests that lead to internationally accepted certificates, enhancing their qualifications and opening doors to global opportunities. MLP is proud to announce that we will soon be officially accredited as an Cambridge school, bringing global standards of excellence to our campus. MLP will introduce Cambridge benchmark examinations across all major subjects for grades 6 and 9 to ensure our students meet internationally academic benchmarks. This initiative will only elevate the quality of education, but also open opportunities for our students.
The Modern Language program has integrated technology into their daily lessons, making learning more engaging and effective for every student. Interactive tools, digital resources, and adaptive learning platforms help strengthen their understanding and cater to individual needs. This use of technology is essential for the 21st century skills, preparing students to excel in an increasingly digital world.
Beyond academics, MLP places a strong emphasis on developing essential soft skills that are crucial for the success in the 21st century. This includes teamwork and leadership, critical thinking and problem solving, creative thinking, and social and emotional learning.
Hello, I'm Teacher Dan, and I teach English here at MLP, and I want to talk about the lower secondary program. This lower secondary program supports the students as they build a strong academic and personal foundation. It's a stage where learners begin shaping the skills and also the mindset that will guide them through the rest of their academic journey. The program emphasizes English for academic purposes, mathematics following international standards, and science based on inquiry and exploration. One of the highlights is the subject English as a global language. Through this subject, students learn how language can influence ideas, culture, and global communication. Students are also introduced to global citizenship and leadership. This gives them a chance to explore real-world topics and become more aware of their role in the world. Alongside this, SMART electives, science, math, art, robotics, and technology give students the opportunity to explore different areas of interest through hands-on activities and creative thinking. Cambridge examinations, such as CET and PET, are included as part of the learning process. These exams offer valuable benchmarks. They help students gain experience with international standards. Also, throughout the program, personalized development and project-based learning help each student move forward with confidence. As a result, the lower secondary program creates the opportunity for students to grow both academically and personally, preparing them for even deeper learning in the years ahead.
Elective subjects at MLP play a central role in helping students discover their strengths, develop valuable skills, and shape their future paths. The program is designed to offer meaningful learning experiences across both lower and higher secondary levels. In lower secondary, students can explore a wide range of subjects that spark curiosity and support foundational development. These include SMART, which covers science, math, and technology, along with innovation and creative technology. English as a global language, Japanese language skills, and Chinese language skills. These electives create space for students to engage with global content, strengthen their problem-solving abilities, and begin building cross-cultural communication skills. As students move into higher secondary, electives become more advanced and aligned with future goals. Students may choose from business and entrepreneurship, English for global citizenship, Chinese language and culture, Japanese language and culture, and artificial intelligence. These subjects offer opportunities to apply knowledge in practical ways, deepen understanding of global trends, and prepare for academic and professional pathways. Each elective encourages active learning through research, collaboration, and creative tasks. Whether developing a business model, writing an academic essay, presenting a speech, coding a digital project, or exploring another language and culture, students are constantly building essential skills for their future. The elective program at MLP reflects our commitment to personal growth, academic readiness, and a global perspective. It provides every student with a chance to explore their interests while building confidence and direction for what lies ahead.
Hi, I'm Teacher Oz. Today, I will talk about the higher secondary program at MLP. It is designed to guide students through a period of focused growth. From grade 10 to grade 12, students are supported in building strong academic foundation while preparing for university and life after school. The program places emphasis on critical thinking, academic communication, and real-world readiness. Students take part in IELTS mock tests, writing development, and university interview simulations. These experiences help them understand the expectations of higher education and build confidence to express their goals clearly. Two different tracks are offered to meet different interests and strengths. The IB, which stands for International Business, focuses on leadership, global awareness, and decision-making. The IS, or Innovative Sciences, supports students in developing analytical thinking and applying knowledge to real challenges. These tracks give students a sense of direction as they prepare for their next steps. The academic structure is supported by activities that encourage independence, responsibility, and self-reflection. Students begin to understand how their strengths connect with their future goals and how to communicate these clearly through speaking and writing. The higher secondary program helps students become more than test takers. It helps them become more thoughtful individuals who are prepared to move forward with purpose, knowledge, and confidence.
At ACS MLP, students achieve the extraordinary. We offer an incredible range of academic, creative, sporting, and community experiences that will nurture their strengths, ignite their passions, and feed their curiosity. Along with focusing on academics, we offer numerous extracurricular activities. Our students develop themselves both academically and socially. As a result, they are accepted to the most reputable universities around the world when they graduate. We are incredibly proud of our previous graduates' individual and collective achievements, including their impressive academic results, which reflect their hard work, their talent, and determination, as well as our commitment to personalized education. Our students continue to grow and contribute to various communities, such as the University of Oxford, Chulalongkorn University, Thammasat University, and Mahidol University, just to name a few. To ensure the student's success, MLP offers international English proficiency exams and SAT preparatory courses. IELTS, we also collaborate with an outsourced company to provide a 10-week intensive SAT and IELTS course. Before taking the actual tests, MLP students sit through mock tests to prepare themselves and to feel ready and confident. Appropriately, the scores that they receive are often outstanding.
Audio Jungle.
To celebrate and showcase our students' talents, we hold an annual talent show with more than 500 spectators in attendance. Students present their singing, acting, and dancing abilities to the audience that consists of parents, faculty, and the ACS management team.
Audio Jungle.
We firmly believe prospective students will love learning here at MLP. They will follow personalized academic pathways that nurture their individual strengths, their passions, and ambitions for the future.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.